Have you ever wondered what drives the financial markets? What if we told you April 2024 has been one of the most dynamic months in recent memory? Welcome, dear listeners, to a journey through the corridors of the financial world, where every tick of the clock, every flip of the calendar page brings about a new wave of possibilities. The month we're about to explore, April 2024, was no ordinary month. It was a time of rapid changes, unexpected twists and turns, and a whirlwind of market activity. Now imagine the financial markets as a grand theatre, where the world's economies take the stage. Every performance is unique, shaped by a myriad of factors from geopolitical events to technological advancements, and it's this unpredictability that makes the financial world so exciting. It's like a high-stakes game of chess where each move can trigger a chain reaction across the board. As investors, being in the know is not just a choice, it's a necessity. Information is the lifeblood of investment decisions, the compass guiding us through the labyrinth of the financial markets. And April 2024 was a testament to this, as we saw market trends shift like desert sands, creating opportunities for those ready to seize them. The market moves we witnessed in April 2024 were akin to a grand symphony, with each instrument playing its part. From soaring stocks and volatile commodities to the digital gold rush, each had a story to tell, a lesson to impart. And as with any symphony, it's the understanding of each note, each nuance, that allows us to appreciate the music in its entirety. So what was it about April 2024 that set it apart? What were the market moves that made headlines and sent ripples through the financial world? And most importantly, what impact did these moves have on investors? These are the questions we'll be exploring as we unravel the complexities of the financial markets, shedding light on the intricacies that often go unnoticed, yet hold the power to shape our investment strategies. So buckle up as we delve into the intricate web of the April 2024 market moves. Picture this: stocks are soaring, indices are hitting record highs, and investors are ecstatic. Welcome to the bull run of April 2024. The financial landscape is pulsating with an energy that's enough to get even the most seasoned investor's heart racing. The markets are ablaze with activity, and the numbers tell a tale of success. But what sparked this surge? Let's dive in. Firstly, economic indicators have played a significant role. Consumer confidence is at an all-time high. Unemployment rates are at a record low, and inflation is well under control. The economy is humming along smoothly, creating an environment conducive to investment and growth. Secondly, corporate earnings have exceeded expectations. Company after company has reported stellar earnings, and the market has responded with enthusiasm. With industries across the board showing robust growth, the corporate sector's strong performance has been a key driver of the stock market's upward trajectory. Investor sentiment, too, has been overwhelmingly positive. Optimism is in the air, and the bulls are in control. Market participants are betting big on the future, buoyed by a combination of strong economic fundamentals and excellent corporate performance. But let's not forget the role of technology. Tech stocks in particular have been on a tear. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, technological innovation has been a major force propelling the market upwards. The tech sector's ascendancy has not only driven market growth, but has also reshaped the investment landscape. However, amidst all this euphoria, it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. While the bull run is cause for celebration, it's also a reminder of the market's cyclical nature. The highs are thrilling, but they're often followed by lows. So while we revel in the bull market's glory, let's not lose sight of the potential risks. In the face of such a bullish market, the question remains, is this sustainable? While stocks were flying, commodities were on a roller coaster ride. Let's unpack the tumultuous journey of commodities in April 2024. The commodities market in April 2024 was nothing short of a thrill ride. It was a month characterized by high volatility, reflecting the ebb and flow of global supply and demand dynamics. One day, you'd see prices surging. The next day, it would be a steep drop. It was a literal interpretation of the old adage, what goes up must come down. A key factor driving this volatility was the ever-shifting global supply and demand dynamics. From a bumper harvest in Brazil driving down coffee prices to a poor wheat season in Russia pushing up grain costs, the pendulum was constantly swinging. But it wasn't just Mother Nature having her say. man-made influences played a significant role too. Take, for instance, the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and their impact on oil prices. The uncertainty and unrest led to spikes and dips as traders tried to predict the next move, adding fuel to the roller coaster ride. And then there were the metals: gold, silver, copper, you name it. These too were caught in the whirlwind, driven by a mixture of factors. On one hand, there were concerns about slowing economic growth in key markets like China, which dampened demand for industrial metals. On the other hand, there was a surge in demand for precious metals like gold and silver, as investors sought safe havens amidst the market volatility. The energy sector too had its share of ups and downs. The push towards renewable energy sources led to increased demand for certain commodities, while traditional energy sources like coal faced a downturn. As we navigated the choppy waters of the commodities market, it was clear that no 2 days were the same. The only constant was change, and as always, with volatility comes opportunity. For those with the stomach for it, the roller coaster ride was a chance to buy low and sell high, to seize the day and make the most of the market's unpredictability. As we can see, the commodities market was a wild ride, leaving investors with much to ponder. Amidst all the chaos, one asset class stood out: cryptocurrency. Welcome to the digital gold rush of April 2024. In the midst of market fluctuations and economic uncertainties, cryptocurrencies have emerged as a beacon of promise, a digital El Dorado, if you will. The surge in cryptocurrency prices this month has been nothing short of spectacular, a veritable gold rush in the digital realm. But what's driving this trend? Let's break it down. First up, blockchain technology. This revolutionary tech has been the backbone of cryptocurrencies, providing a decentralized and secure platform for transactions. It's a game changer, transforming not just financial services, but also sectors as diverse as supply chain management and healthcare. This broad utility has boosted the credibility and value of cryptocurrencies, making them more than just a speculative asset. Next, regulatory changes. In April 2024, several countries announced progressive regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrencies. These policies provided much-needed clarity and security for investors, fueling confidence in the market. For instance, the decision to treat cryptocurrencies as legal tender in some jurisdictions has been a significant catalyst for the surge in prices. Finally, investor appetite. The quest for high returns has led many to venture into the wild west of the digital market. Amidst low interest rates and sluggish growth in traditional markets, cryptocurrencies have offered a tantalizing alternative, a chance to strike digital gold. The rise of cryptocurrencies is a testament to the evolving nature of our financial system. It's a brave new world out there, with digital currencies challenging the status quo and reshaping the way we think about money. However, like any gold rush, this one also carries risks. The volatile nature of cryptocurrencies and the regulatory uncertainties surrounding them make this a high-stakes game. So, as we navigate this digital gold rush, it's crucial to be informed, to understand the forces at play, and most importantly, to be ready for the ride. As we wrap up our journey through the market moves of April 2024, let's take a moment to reflect on what we have learned. From soaring stocks to volatile commodities and surging cryptocurrencies, April 2024 was a month to remember. But what does it all mean for investors? In this whirlwind of a month, we've seen a lot of action across different markets. Stocks, for example, have been on a tear, reaching new all-time highs with sectors like technology and healthcare leading the charge. This surge illustrates the power of innovation and the resilience of businesses to adapt in an ever-changing environment. On the other hand, commodities have been on a roller coaster ride. We've seen oil prices fluctuate dramatically due to geopolitical tensions and changing demand dynamics. Meanwhile, gold has retained its place as a safe haven, despite the volatility. This shows us that commodities, while unpredictable, are a crucial part of a well-diversified portfolio. And let's not forget about the digital gold rush. Cryptocurrencies, once considered a fringe asset class, have surged to new heights, demonstrating their potential as both a speculative asset and a hedge against traditional market downturns. The rise of digital assets underscores the importance of staying informed about emerging trends and being ready to adapt. So, what are the key takeaways from all this? For one, diversification is more important than ever. In a world where markets can swing wildly from one day to the next, having a mix of different assets can help mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. Secondly, staying informed is crucial. With the rapid pace of change in today's markets, investors need to stay on top of the latest news and trends. This doesn't just mean following the headlines, but digging deeper to understand the underlying factors driving market movements. Lastly, adaptability is key. Markets are constantly evolving, and successful investors are those who can adapt their strategies to fit changing circumstances. As we look ahead, remember this: the only certainty in the markets is uncertainty. Stay informed, stay flexible, and happy investing.